Today I'm going to start this speech off with an interesting fact from CNBC.com that cites the National Bankruptcy Forum as stating that the number one cause of bankruptcy filing every year is because of medical bills. It is understandable that not everyone is sick and in need of health insurance immediately, but have you ever stopped to consider how much you will have to pay once you do get sick and don't have insurance? Even though it might seem unnecessary at times, everybody should have health insurance. Today I will explain why it is necessary. I know there are a lot of speculations on if it is necessary or not, but I'll also answer those concerns as well. So let's start off with why being uninsured is a problem. There are two things that not having health insurance can affect. That is your health and finances. When you are uninsured, you don't have access to preventative care, and you tend to wait until your conditions are life-threatening to seek treatment. Medical News Today reported in 2017 a list of the top 10 leading causes of death in the United States. Of the 10, the top 3 are heart disease, cancer, and chronic respiratory disease, which are all preventable and treatable if you have preventative care. When you wait until your condition is at its worst to seek treatment, it can not only lead to conditions becoming life-threatening, but it can also affect your finances by causing you to have high medical bills and lead most people to file for bankruptcy. In the article, Factors that are pushing us towards bankruptcy, they declare that the leading cause of bankruptcy is medical bills. So now you see how being uninsured can affect your health and finances. What can you do to fix this problem? Well, it's quite simple. You can sign up for health insurance. Having health insurance will make sure you are prepared for emergencies, and it will allow you to have access to preventative care. Healthcare.gov states that health plans must cover a set of preventative services. So this will allow you to have routine checkups and immunization shots. On healthcare.gov, you can also find a list of covered preventative services. Health insurance also gives you access to a health savings account, or HSA for short. This allows you to set up an account to put money aside just for your healthcare needs. In the article, How a Health Savings Account Works, that healthinsurance.org posted in February 2019, they list and explain the many ways you can use your health savings account for things like medical bills, office visits, medication, and even buying stuff at the store like toothpaste and toiletries. This will allow you to be prepared for future emergencies. Even though you know how to fix this problem, I know you still have concerns about this solution, so let me address them for you. The most common thing people feel is that health insurance costs too much, and that's a valid point. But that's why we have the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. This allows you to find affordable health insurance based on your financial situation. You can go to healthcare.gov and fill in your financial information, and it will give you a list of affordable insurances. This website is also filled with plenty of research, guides, and answers about affordable health insurance. Another concern that most people argue is that they are not sick and in need of health insurance. I agreed with that 100% until I got sick and didn't have insurance. I was transitioning between jobs and thought I could go the 3 months being uninsured. Within that time, I ended up becoming sick and having to go to the hospital. I was admitted for 6 days and ended up racking over $70,000 worth of medical bills. It was a shock and something that could have been avoided if I had insurance. Now I can't imagine living without it. Hopefully I have answered your biggest concerns about this idea, so let's recap my points. I have explained the toll of being uninsured and how having health insurance can fix this problem. I've also tried to settle any concerns you might have had. And I mean, if you're going to have car and house insurance, why not insure yourself?